Oh, are you grabbing for your toothbrush? What are you going to do with your toothbrush? Papa's on the move. Are you brushing your teeth? You're like, this is my toothbrush. I have 8 teeth. I brush all 8 of them. It's fascinating.
You know, I don't think...
Oh, there he goes.
Good job, buddy.
Good job! Way to brush your teeth.
Oh, yeah, these are okay. I'm pretty sure they're okay. They're number 6, which is polystyrene. So they're this is actually styrofoam.
Oh my.
Alright, the difference between this and styrofoam is that styrofoam is mostly air.
Hi. So it's all compacted and colored.
Right. And I'm pretty sure that the
Brusha, brusha, brusha. Brusha, 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 brusha. You're doing a really good job. Good brushing. That's your brush. Sit, puppet. Right behind you.
Good.
Brush. Nice.